This is LG G7 Fit, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So to start, I recommend that you launch the Google Play Store. Then at the top right corner of your display, tap at your PFP or profile picture. So let's first wait for the Play Store app to load, since as you can see it takes quite a while. Now tap at your profile image here. Next, open the Play Protect. And scan your system for harmful apps. Another scan that you might also be interested in running is the antivirus scan. There are a lot of third-party external solutions or antivirus apps, but the one that I'll mention today is called Avast. So find it, get it installed, and run the antivirus check using it. Also, you can go into Settings, then Apps, so General, Apps and Notifications, App Info, and look through each individual application that is installed on your system, and carefully look through all the apps. And if you spot any suspicious entry or the application that, well, you just simply do not recall installing, and, well, such app is not a system app or an LG app, Android app, whatever. So if you find app that ticks all the boxes, get such app uninstalled right away. I'm not sure, I don't think I have any third-party apps installed actually. But anyway, well, this phone is tedious. Another thing that I wanted to show is to enter the security category of settings, or lock screen and security to be precise. Here find the device or phone administrators and deactivate this permission for all of the apps that have this, well, access or that are enrolled as phone administrators, and see if it will help you, and if your problem will disappear or will be fixed somehow. That means that the app in question, one of the apps that had this permission, was causing those issues to begin with. So not only you should not get this app in the phone administrator status, you might also want to uninstall such app right away. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.